wanted to get a square value of all the items in this list using maps. So to use maps, num square, and they will say map takes a function, right? You can base, I'm using an anonymous function, then do okay, and then we'll pass the iterable that we are iterating over. This is a condition, this is what is gonna happen on the iterable. So we have our numbers, okay, and if we print out the value of number, we should get something. And yeah, we are getting a map object, but this is not quite what we need because map returns an iterable as well. What we are gonna do is to wrap this around a list to convert it to become a list, from iterable to become a list. All right, so and if we do this and run our program again, yeah, you can see we are getting X value, and of course the value is also very correct. That is map.